Hello, today we will guide you through how to set a limit order on FX Replay. To get started, open FX Replay and go to the Getting Started page. This is your entry point into the platform, and from here you can navigate into the area where trading simulations and order placement happen. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until the main menu is fully visible so you can follow along smoothly. Once you're on the platform, click on Testing. This section is where you can work with practice environments and review trading activity without affecting a live account. It's the right place to use tools like limit orders while you're analyzing chart behavior and refining your execution process. After that, click on Sessions. Sessions are where your testing setups and trading replays are organized. If you've already created or accessed a session before, you should see it listed here. This helps keep your chart work separated and makes it easier to jump into the exact market replay you want to use. From the Sessions page, click Go to Chart. This opens the chart interface for the selected session, which is where you'll place and manage your orders. Give the chart a second to load completely so all controls are available before moving on. At the top of the chart screen, click Place Order. This will open the order entry controls and allow you to choose how you want to enter the market. The order panel is where you define the direction of the trade and the order type, so this is an important step. Next, select whether you want to buy or sell. Choose Buy if you expect price to move upward, or sell if you expect price to move downward. Make sure your selection matches your trading idea before continuing, since the direction you choose determines how the order will behave once triggered. Then, click on the Type option and select Limit. A limit order is used when you want the market to reach a specific price before entering the trade, rather than entering immediately at the current market price. This can be helpful when you're waiting for a pullback or aiming for a more precise entry. Once Limit is selected, your order setup is ready in the correct mode. Take a brief moment to review the order panel and confirm that you've chosen the intended side and order type. That extra check can help prevent simple mistakes and keep your workflow clean and consistent. And that's how to set a limit order on FX Replay.